back in Vehicle Tycoon. If you remember, last time we bought that Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. It's a really good car. So today, and also I bought the Camaro, but I didn't record for that. So today I've been thinking that we should get the Lotus Evora GTC. Okay guys, so I am going to first spawn my Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. Oh, and also Avnish is with me. Say hi.
Hi guys. So Lockheed, I've been thinking, from where did you get the Lotus Evora? I mean, which showroom?
Super.
Okay, I'm going to the Super to check out.
It's 100,000. Okay guys, this car gives 129 cash per second. It's really good.
Oh, my car is way more faster than that. My car
So
can go up to 200.
yeah guys, I'm just gonna drive around for a while and then I guess we'll get a car. Wait a second, I think hold on. Okay guys, I'm just gonna go. Oh, I'm coming back to the dealership.
Oh, you're coming to the Super dealership?
No, my dealership.
Oh,
Okay guys, so yeah, actually this,
can you come to the clean area?
hold on, wait, I didn't claim a dealership. Wow. So yeah, okay, I am gonna get into a dealership. Wait, didn't I get a second floor? Okay, yeah. Or should we get the BMW M5, guys? Let me check. Can I see? Okay, okay, guys, I guess let's go for the Lamborghini Huracan. Okay, 200,000. Not bad. We can afford that, guys. Oh, why aren't we able to spawn it, guys? What do you think? Spawn. Okay. Purple, not a bad color, guys. Oh, and in the comment section below, comment your favorite color. My favorite color is blue. Sorry, guys, that was my sister. Hold on, guys, I'll be right back. Hey, guys, if you gotta admit, how much is the Aventador?
500,000.
Come on, I'm gonna get the Hurricane. Yeah, I am Roblox. Because Avnish is playing and I'm making a video. You're told that 4V would be available, right?
So Marvel is right now.
Yeah.
Wait, how much is the phone now? Are you coming down?
Yeah, I'm recording, but yeah, I'll come down at about 5:30 maybe.
No, very no. The Orica is slower than the last Corvette. Lockheed?
Yeah.
My next down is
Okay, guys, I guess we'll now get the Hurricane of Lambo. I guess the Lotus Evora sounds like a good option, but we can search for some other cars. Ooh, okay, I guess we are not going to the auto car dealership. All the cars there are so lame because, yeah, they're really cheap. Because most of the cars are 30,000. And look at this cash. So we are gonna start getting from the supercar dealership.
Hey Lockheed, you wanna check out my car? It goes super fast.
No, not yet.
It's like $400.
Okay, guys. Yeah, let's see here. What should we get? Let's go on the second floor and see what's good. Okay, guys. Let's get. Okay, fine. This also. I guess we can go for McLaren 720S, but that's like 310,000, so it might be a bit expensive. So yeah. Wait, let's check for the hypercar dealership.
Yeah, I'm also coming to the hypercar dealership.
Okay, so okay, guys, sorry for the background noise. Are you at the hypercar dealership? I don't see you.
Wait, what?
Join from me.
Hold on, I'm joining your server, okay?
Sure. Okay, guys, at Mega Car Dealership, let's see the good stuff here. Nah, I guess. Yeah, let's go back to the supercar dealership.
You're not playing any game.
I am. Yeah, refresh. Okay, guys, I guess we can go the same Avnish got. We can get the Lamborghini Aventador. That's 208. And that's pretty fast. So, for now, let's get this Corvette Stingray here. Okay, guys, and I will be right back. I'll just earn some money and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, change of plans. Yeah, his car Lamborghini Aventador pretty cool and all, but you get it. It's really hard to get. So I guess we can get the Rimac Concept one, but that's $1 million. So instead, let's get the Ford GT.
What is speed?
Let me check.
What is speed?
I'm checking.
Oh, okay.
The speed is 216.
Oh, that's only 8 kilometers per hour more than mine.
Then I guess I have my car decided. Okay, guys, today's goal is gonna be the Ford GT. Super rare.
Oh, I'm going to save up for the Tesla.
Okay, guys, so yeah, let's get back our. Hey guys, the Ford GT is really expensive. So you guys need to really smash that like button if you want to get this Ford GT. And also, one more like for this really lame color. Just kidding, you can only do one like in a video. So let's really smash that like button to get this Ford GT in one video, because we don't want it to get divided into two parts. I mean, that's a lot of work. Instead, I guess I can put cuts in the middle.
How will you get that with the Stingray? I had like 2 hours playing with the ZR1, which is more monkey.
Uh,
I still can do videos, but I already
no, I'm gonna put cuts. I'm gonna put cuts in the middle, so I guess it's fine.
even I put cuts. It was a 9-minute video. I started from 200,000. Guys, if you want to see how I got this Aventador, please go and check out my channel.
Actually, it's the video you're uploading is on your channel. So yeah, there's no need to say go check out my channel. Okay, guys, I'll be right back since this is gonna be a long video. Okay, guys, I am back, and we only have 71,000, and we need
193,000.
100. Okay, guys, so let's go. Alright, our goal was to wait. I don't know what we should get, guys. Should we get that Ford GT, or should we get this Lotus Evora GTC? Wait, let me see its speed. Its speed is not that good. So, how about this Cybertruck? Really lame. Okay, Corvette ZR1's good. Audi R8 not okay. It's good, I guess. Come on, give me the 200s. Give me a 200.
Where are you? I'm coming.
Okay, guys, I guess we're gonna go on the second floor. Okay, 182, 183, 175.
Wait, you are in the scorecard dealership? Seriously?
158. Okay, these speeds are really lame. Wait, that can
I know.
McLaren? This McLaren is not that bad, and its price pretty good for a speed like that. It's amazing. I'm getting that McLaren.
Oh, McLaren is just 1 kilometer per hour more than mine. Hate it. I mean, my last one. Now though I'm faster. Ferrari 488, I like that.
Okay, guys, we're gonna get that McLaren for sure. But for now, I guess we have this stupid Stingray. Wait a second. What if we get a faster car just to earn some money?
Oh, you can get the Aventador.
Okay, guys, let's get. Wait, what's. Okay, so 718, 151. Okay, guys, the Corvette Stingray is much faster than that, so.
Can you move?
No, not yet.
I'm the
Can't you
same
just
color.
turn, bro? Okay, guys, so yeah, I guess this is the only good car of a speed which is not for Robux. And you know, guys, we don't have Robux. If you hit the subscribe button, I might be able to get some Robux. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want me to buy cooler stuff in this game.
Oh, Bobby. Oh, I was going to jump from that ramp. God dang it.
Okay, guys, so yeah. Okay, guys, I guess let's just keep driving for a while.
Red coin.
I mean, guys, for now, I've been playing for about half an hour now, but only 12 minutes are done in the recording because I put a huge cut. And I'm gonna cut it again. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I have $122,000. 123 now, but I'm guessing we need half of it more. And this video, it might become a bit too long if I show all when I earn it all. So I'm gonna just have a small. I'm just gonna show you for a small time to ride it. Then I'll just cut the video all the way till I get enough money for the McLaren. And then after that, I'll just review it for a few minutes, and then I'll end the video. Okay, guys, so yeah, and I am getting a plenty of cash. Wait, I mean, I can get a Lamborghini. Let me just check because the McLaren is more expensive, so let me check if the Lamborghini is worth it for expensive.
Lamborghini Huracan, it says worth it.
Yeah, I mean, you can't argue, it has a spoiler.
I know, right? Spoiler is sick. Which showroom? I'm coming to the Hyper showroom.
Okay, you don't call it showroom in this game. You call it a dealer. Oh, speaking of Hyper Showroom, I just reached.
Oh, I'm here. Where are you? Oh, there you are.
So yeah, say hi again.
Hi. Where is it?
Okay, guys, I think let's go for a supercar. I have spotted a bunch of really nice supercars up here. I mean, we can get a Ferrari, which we are pretty close to its price. We can get a Lamborghini Gallardo, but I mostly don't like the car.
I know. That's so bad.
This is the McLaren I'm thinking of getting. Its acceleration isn't that good. So I think I want a car with good acceleration and a decent speed for its price. I mean, I guess we can get this Lotus Evora GTC.
Oh, you will be so slow from me.
Okay, guys, that is so slow. There's a car in the auto car dealership that is that fast. So I need a good one.
Yeah, I think you should get the Huracan.
Wait, maybe the Audi R8. Let's see. Acceleration pretty good, not bad. It's a good pricing. Good deal. BMW i8, super lame, super cheap. Okay, this is also really less speed. Nissan. Wait, this car is not that bad. I might get this Nissan, or maybe let me check this Dodge Challenger SRT. Ooh, that is so bad. Its acceleration pretty good. Speed, bleh. Let's go to the Hyper maybe. Let's see if anything's good out there for our prices.
Wait, you are. Oh, see my car. It shows on. Yeah, I always own it.
This is super rare. Not bad.
Guys, come here. I want to buy this Lamborghini Tesla. It goes so fast.
Yeah, but look at its cost. Although its speed is very good for a price like that.
What? It's 1,800,000. Wait, what about the Pagani Huayra?
Okay, guys. So I guess let's go back to the supercar dealership and get a deal over there.
Searching for a
911. Ew, the worst ever. This Nissan, I really like it. Although I don't like its look and accelerations is also kind of low.
Wait, I can buy a Venom GT Spider. It goes so fast.
This Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 is good. So I guess guys, this video we'll get the Chevrolet Corvette ZR1, and the next video we'll buy a Lambo.
Lucky, I'm going to buy the fastest car in the Hyper car showroom.
Really?
Venom GT Spider.
Are you,
The Lamborghini Tesla is just too expensive.
where is this?
It's faster than the Tesla.
Hey, I just bought a ZR1. I'm gonna check out how it is, guys. So yeah, this is the Chevrolet Corvette ZR1. Not bad. Ooh, great color.
I got red color, bro.
Okay, guys, this is a huge amount of money. So I guess next time we can get the McLaren. So okay, guys, I'm gonna end this video. I hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.